Hi friends, welcome back to Panda Class with Mr. B. That's me. All right, friends. Today we're gonna learn about our vowels. Some people know their vowels, not everyone does, and that's why we're gonna go over this today. See, A is one of our vowels. So A, nice way to remember this, is having our nice little apple right here. Apple. E, apple. And then E, we have a nice little friend here. Elephant. And then we have I. You can do this along with me, friends. Igloo. Yeah. O is for octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octopus. A-E-I-O and U. For umbrella. And that's how we make a little sound chart, friends. And you can make this anytime you want, and it helps you remember and how to say the sounds. Apple. Elephant. Igloo. Octopus. Umbrella. Isn't that fun, friends? And then you can make your own. Yeah. My elephant. It's a fine looking elephant, isn't it? I like that. Well, thanks for joining me today at Panda Class with Mr. B. All right, friends, let's raise our left hands in the air, and on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, pinch pot, cheese, cheese, cheese. Pinch pot, cheese, cheese, cheese. All right, friends, I'll see you again soon. Bye.